If you work on brakes in your shop, you should be familiar with the basic hydraulics and the components that make up the hydraulic portion of the brake system. If you're not as familiar with this subject or are a new technician looking for some advice, keep watching and we'll give you some tips about master cylinder replacement. Replacing a master cylinder is very important to brake system maintenance. The master cylinder is the heart of the braking system because it converts the driver's pedal force into hydraulic pressure that activates the brakes. When a master cylinder fails, typically due to wear in the piston bore or piston seal failure, that means it needs to be replaced. When a driver presses the brake pedal, it activates a push rod in the master cylinder, connected to two pistons, primary and secondary, arranged in tandem within the cylinder bore. When the driver releases the brake pedal, a spring-loaded piston assembly in the master cylinder returns to its rest position. The fluid displaced during braking is pushed back to the master cylinder as the brake components, such as disc brake pads and drum brake shoes, retract. This returning fluid flows back into the reservoir through a small opening called compensating ports, located just ahead of each piston. The layout of a modern brake system includes a dual circuit brake system for safety, with two separate hydraulic circuits, each having a fluid reservoir and piston. This design means if one circuit fails, the other remains operational, providing at least partial braking to drivers. In rear-wheel drive vehicles, these circuits are typically split between front and rear brakes. Many front-wheel drive cars, however, use a diagonal split, where one circuit controls the left front and the right rear brakes, while the other manages the right front and left rear. The most common problems with brake cylinders are wear in the piston bore and piston seal failure. A common sign of a failing master cylinder is a brake pedal that slowly sinks to the floor when consistent pressure is applied. When this happens, replacement of the master cylinder is typically necessary for safe and effective braking. By understanding the basics of how master cylinders operate, you can identify potential issues on customer vehicles to help maintain their vehicle's braking system. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching. See you next time.